Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Highlander key fob. First, gather all your existing and new unprogrammed key fobs. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged before you begin. This process is straightforward and applies to many Toyota Highlander models, helping you get your new fob working quickly and efficiently. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are completely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and remove it 5 times in quick succession. Immediately after, open and then close the driver's door 6 times. This sequence will prepare your vehicle to enter the key fob programming mode. Once in programming mode, take your new key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons. After holding for 1 second, release both buttons. Then, immediately press any single button on the new key fob. This action registers the fob with your vehicle's system, linking it for future use. If you have more key fobs to program, simply repeat the previous steps for each one. Once all fobs are programmed, test each one to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly with your vehicle. This confirms a successful programming session. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.